Hey, what's up guys, it's A-Bomb here, and today we're making homemade Baja Blast. We have our ingredients here, normal Mountain Dew and blue Powerade, and we're gonna be experimenting with some Gatorade flavors if this doesn't work. So we got a bunch of sodas and we're gonna experiment, and we're gonna have our boy Noah try it to see if it's actually like Baja Blast. We're a little biased, so we're gonna have him try it.
All right, hey guys, what's going on? It's Griffin Dad, and we are making the Baja Blast. So I'm just opening this stuff real quick, and we're gonna pour it in. So for the video we watched to get this idea, the guy does them at the same time, but I'm definitely gonna make a mess if I do them at the same time. So I'm gonna do
I say we just fill half and half and then we stir.
Let's just go like this. All right, here you go. Mountain Dew now.
That's starting to look like it a little.
Oh yeah, it does. Maybe we should do more Mountain Dew.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
But that looks a lot like it.
So we have test one right here.
Yeah. Glasses?
Yep.
There you go.
And then we'll do another one. Thank you so much.
Shout out to Mrs.
Shout out Miss Bab. Letting us dirty all our glasses. Okay. All right, then this one I'm gonna do more Mountain Dew. We'll do this one. That's so satisfying.
Oh shoot, that might be. Oh wait, the bubbles.
No, but yeah, it fizzed up.
Oh, that looks so much like it.
This one looks more like it. I think.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, okay. Right, so that was like 70-30. Let's try
Let's do 50-50. 50-50. Should I do this one? All right. So this looks like about half. So I'll put this. See, I don't know. Maybe I wish we had like a way to.
I say stop there.
Okay, this should be 50-50 then.
That looks a lot like it.
That one I think might be the
That's
best.
You didn't leave room for ice.
Oh shoot.
Okay, we'll do ice in the small one then. Okay, let's go give these to Noah and get his reaction. What's in it?
All right.
What
Are they
is-
bad? Are they
No,
nasty?
no, they're not bad. It's not gonna be.
I mean,
Maybe.
hope not.
And then the winner will get the ice cup, and then you get to drink out of the ice. All right, hey, hold on.
That's Mountain Dew.
Hold on, okay.
What?
So you're gonna try just whatever order. You're gonna try each one. And what's it?
First.
Oh.
What? I don't want to try that. Just take a sip.
So this one, these I think are Mountain Dews because this one has no carbonation. So this one's definitely gonna taste like ass cheeks. Go. Is it gonna be bad? Like, am I gonna throw up or
No,
something?
you're not gonna throw up. No.
Is it like something like, it's not gonna poison me, right?
No,
Or it's not
no.
gonna be like,
No.
am I gonna, can I get water? Is it gonna be bad?
You're not gonna need water.
You're not. Yeah. It's gonna taste.
I'm gonna go for this one first.
Okay.
All right.
I feel like they all are just rigged.
Dude, just drink it. Oh my god, no.
You'll get put 3 lime green glasses of juice on the table. A little Mountain Dew, a little warm Mountain Dew. Okay.
Okay,
This
so.
one's
Can you actually get a sip of it? You just tongued it.
Like, what kind of flavors are you getting? Hey, Mr. Bab.
You making imitation Baja Blast?
dude. Oh my God, Dad, come on. What? Oh, these are Baja Blast. Okay, well let me taste this one.
Oh, you ruined the video.
I mean, this one definitely tastes the most like Baja.
All right, guys. So at the end of the day, we it's blue Powerade, Mountain Dew, and a little bit of Sprite, and that is what makes Baja Blast. Perfect Baja Blast. Look at that. It looks exactly like it. Look at that pretty color. There we go. All right, so we got Noah. We just perfected the recipe.
That does taste like a Baja Blast.
Let's go.
Oh,
Let's
now I
go.
got no shirt on.
Oh shoot. We perfected it.
Dude, guys,
flavor.
Aaron perfected the recipe for Baja Blast.
Let's go.
We did it.
Let's go.